Hello, and welcome to today's guided meditation. As you begin to sink into your breath and this energy, listen as I share some beautiful insights into the journey we will be taking today. As I speak, continue to breathe and settle into a meditative energy, and soon you will be guided into a beautiful meditation. Embark with me as we traverse the lush, verdant depths of the jungle, where whispers of ancient wisdom dance with the symphony of nature's melodies. In this sacred space, we will delve into the essence of frog medicine, guided by the mystical presence of the Bufo frog. The Bufo frog, revered by indigenous cultures for its potent healing properties, offers us a gateway to profound transformation and enlightenment. And today you have the ability to sink into that consciousness through your own mind. The Bufo frog's secretions contain a powerful ethanogenic substance known as 5-MeO-DMT, a conduit to realms beyond the ordinary, where the ego dissolves and the soul finds its voice. As we embrace the essence of this sacred medicine, we open ourselves to a deeper understanding of existence and a profound connection to the universal consciousness. Within the sanctuary of our meditation, we will harness the energy of the Bufo frog, tapping into its ancient wisdom and primordial vitality. Through the rhythmic cadence of our breath and the stillness of our minds, we will awaken dormant potentials and ignite the flame of inner illumination. This journey is not merely one of the body, but of the spirit, an exploration of the limitless expanses of our inner landscape. Prepare to be immersed in the pulsating rhythm of the jungle, to feel the earth's heartbeat beneath your feet, and to surrender to the cosmic dance of existence. Together, let us embrace the transformative power of frog medicine as we embark on a voyage of self-discovery and transcendence. Let the journey begin. As our journey begins, allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into this beautiful energy. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Every breath sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation. Deeper and deeper into yourself as your body melts into the surface beneath you. Every breath you take, expanding your conscious awareness as you are here now. As you breathe, envision in your mind's eye a beautiful jungle landscape. Thick green wildlife cascades all around you. A misty energy in the air as the sun warms your body. Beautiful critters buzzing and moving around you in harmony with your flow. And as you walk down this beautiful jungle path, your heart space awakens at the lush greenery all around you. A deep feeling within that you are embarking on a beautiful, expansive journey. As you walk down this beautiful path, frogs appear before you, hopping along the path in front of and beside you. They are here today to guide you to their sanctuary, where they will share with you a powerful and divine message for your unique soul. As you follow the frogs down this beautiful forest path, a vibrant red energy swirls around you, grounding you deep into Gaia, Earth Mother, allowing you to feel stability and safety within. Rooted deeply into the earth, a sense of power and knowing arises within you, knowing you are held and safe in all you do. Continuing to walk forward as a lush orange energy falls upon you, filling you with overflowing life force energy as you open to the divine feminine energies within you and feel surrender, inspiration, and passion deep within. Still rooted into the earth, full of self, a vibrant yellow energy wraps around you, sending pulses of electric energy through your body, activating and igniting your power center as your divine masculine energy turns on. Standing in this powerful energy, aligned, open, inspired, ready to take aligned action, drive for life, and a deep confidence flowing throughout you. Still full of self, rooted into the earth. An enlivening green energy moves through your system, expanding and stretching your heart open wider and wider as you experience deep oneness with all around you. A knowing that you are love, and so is each and every being on this planet. And with that knowing, a profound connection is born as you open to love and acceptance for self and all. Still walking down the jungle path, a bright blue energy now cascades over you, opening and awakening your throat chakra as your soul essence is born, expressing yourself in alignment with your authentic truth, in alignment with integrity and your soul's knowing, no longer afraid of judgments or labels, simply here in profound expression for who and what you know now. And as this awakens even deeper within you, a deep indigo pours over you, opening and activating your third eye fully, as all the knowledge of the universe becomes known to you. Each and every puzzle piece comes together, and you make perfect sense of your role on the earth here and now. With a final burst of colors, a beautiful violet awakens the divinity within you, completely connected to the cosmos and the divine support all around. Your inner god, goddess is born. As each energy center flows, connected to the cosmos, third eye open, authentic expression awakened, heart expanded, power center ignited, feminine flow engaged, rooted into the earth, you are now in perfect alignment. As a powerful white energy pours down upon you, clarifying and purifying your auric field, washing away all doubts, all impurities. You are cleansed and whole in this moment now, rooted into the earth, plugged into the cosmos. As the colors fade and you find yourself on the jungle path, hundreds of frogs now surrounding you, leading you into a vast home of trees, beautiful jungle branches draping in every direction, a perfect path laid out as these beautiful creatures welcome you to their home. As you walk to the center of their sanctuary, there is a beautiful stump for you to sit. As you sit, a frog 5 times larger than any of the frogs you've seen thus far emerges. This is Father Bufo, and he is here to grant you deep inner wisdom. As you sit before him today, he shares with you a powerful message, opening your conscious awareness to the next level. As you sit on this beautiful stump, he walks toward you, placing his body against yours. And as you breathe in his potent energy, the beautiful medicine secreting from his pores, you sink into a deep trance. In this trance, Father Bufo will share with you a powerful message made only for you. The time is yours to listen and receive. As this powerful message comes to an end, and you once again see Father Bufo before you, thank him and all of his frog family for this message today, for sharing their medicine with you. As you do, a powerful feeling overwhelms your body as you breathe in this new version of you. As you allow this new wave of consciousness and expansion to take up acreage in your body, to integrate as you walk and talk in your waking reality with this new frequency, forever changed here today in alignment with your cosmic knowing. Everything you've witnessed, heard, and experienced here today now lives within you, and you can access this knowing, this remembering at any time. As you sit up on your beautiful stump, the frogs circle around you singing their beautiful song. Father Bufo jumps into your lap and places his beautiful hands upon your chest. As this happens, a bright green energy pulsates from the front of your heart chakra to the back, expanding you deeper and deeper into the energy of the frequency of love. Pure, unconditional love now radiates through your entire being. As he removes himself from your body, jumping back down on to the beautiful earth beneath, you feel tingly from head to toe, a deep knowing of all that you are and have ever been now lives in your waking memory. Thanking the frogs for this beautiful gift, you rise from your seat. They part the way as you exit their sanctuary, and every step you take now down the beautiful jungle path brings you back in to your current reality, sinking into your human vessel, integrating the knowledge and medicine you received here today. A deep knowing now residing within every cell of your being. Breathing deep into this new version of you as you begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Take all the time you need to lie here and integrate this experience. Namaste.